All right, so the Village people have something they haven't had in 40 years. They got a new member, and it's a hot Asian guy. 6'2", Victor Willis.
Oh, hold on a second. Didn't they have a construction worker before?
Victor is the lead of the Village people, the cop.
The cop.
He decided they're getting a little long in the tooth, so he replaced the construction worker with a hot Asian guy.
Wait, do these guys perform? Do you hire them? Like, what is this?
No, they still perform.
To do what, the YMCA? What else do they do?
Macho Man in the Navy.
You know the sad thing is, the Village people now, doesn't this look like an ad in like a Party City flyer? Like, oh, meet the Village people for Halloween.
It really does.
It doesn't even
We're TMZ. If you like our vibe, click on that button and hit subscribe. We'll send you more.